God, where we leave off? I don't even know. I think we had just gotten the valve covers, threw them on with the heads, and yeah. So we are now, I want to say, 2 weeks past the first video of, or I guess you want to say part 1 of the rebuild process, where we ended off with throwing the valve covers on. In between then and now, we went to Las Vegas to film Banging Gears with Adam LZ and the whole crew out there, which I believe have a video before this of Vegas. Anyways, so 2 weeks ago we threw the valve covers on. Last week we were in Vegas, and a day ago we just got back, and I came here and immediately started working on my engine again, because we are about 4 weeks away from Texas, and that means I have 4 weeks to get this in my car, running, driving, broken in, tuned, and pretty much A1 sauce. So from then till now, like I said, I just showed up here yesterday, started working on it right away, and I've skipped a lot of steps from when the last time you guys saw it, and I'm sorry, I'm not patient enough to sit here and record every single thing I do, and you guys know that I haven't had this car for a long time, so like all the things I'm doing, I'm just trying to get it over with, get it done, and a lot of these things that you guys probably don't even care to see anyways. Pretty much buttoned everything up. I have all the front accessories on, serpentine belt on, I have the fuel rails on, I have all the timing covers on, I have the exhaust manifolds on and modified from last time, because if you guys remember, we used to crack them. I now have the turbo kit on and the turbo, so pretty much, oh, and the trans. So pretty much this thing is drop-in ready, which I'm hoping to do tomorrow, which is still gonna be part of this video for you. But yeah, like I said, I'm just here to basically, I know that you guys get bored of my talking all the time, but I'm here to basically just tell you guys that I skipped a fucking shitload of steps, and this is where we are. So I'm gonna show you guys now, because it looks freaking sick as shit. In a few minutes or seconds, whenever I get to tomorrow, I'm planning to put this engine in the car finally. Anyways, this is where we're at, and this is what it looks like, and I think it looks sick. So here you go.
I wonder what's wrong. I wonder what's wrong. I wonder.
This is what it looks like. Obviously, we don't have our dump tubes on yet. Still gonna have to make those. And I had these 3D printed for the 2.0 coil packs, stuff like that. Little stuff that still has yet to go on, that will go on, but they can all pretty much go on after the engine is actually in the car. So yeah, super sick. Also, actually, while I'm here, shout out to TurboGuard, because I worked with TurboGuard on this one, and they've helped me out. They sent me a custom TurboGuard for this setup. TurboGuard sent me a custom TurboGuard for my Borg Warner. It's abbreviated and says single turbo Noggy. I didn't want to put the whole single turbo Noggy on here because I think it would have been too long. So that was my choice. I think it looks cool. I'm gonna stop talking now because I've been talking this entire freaking time, and I just want to let you guys know. So in about 10 seconds here, hopefully we are putting in this engine and finally throwing it in the car. But I'm gonna go home, and I will see you guys in just a second when we're throwing this engine in the car. Damn, son. How good does that car look on the sun again? Sheesh. throwing her on the trailer, bringing her to the shop so I can throw the engine in. It's that time. Wow. Officially at the shop with it. Since I pulled the motor on it, this is the first time it's been on the lift since. I have the engine over there, which I showed you guys already, I think. I have a new stuff going on. I have a new front cord and stuff, so I kind of gotta figure that stuff out. But basically, I'm gonna take everything off here, get the subframe under the engine, bolt everything up, and then slap everything in. Might do a time lapse, might not. I don't know. I'm just too excited to get this back in the car. At that point,
I'm finna pop my shit on this. Yo. Real trap nigga shit. This shit no cap. This shit real life. Big frogs all these niggas can't compare to me. Ice on me cold to the 30 degree reach for the chain guarantee this murder same. All they hold up.
T minus, I don't know, 45 minutes. The engine's in. Obviously, it's not, the car's not completely together, but throwing that BR30 conventional oil for break-in in this bad boy. Yeah, she's thirsty. What a rare sight to see. The car's on the ground, and it's not monster trucking because there's an engine in it. And see my new core support there? Obviously, the radiator's not there and like the fan's not hooked up and shit, but it's been a while since these two have been together. So I got the new core support on. I got the break-in oil in. Had to drill some holes for the hood pins. I got that figured out. I just really wanted to see this car on the ground again, and looking pretty much like a normal car. It's freaking insane. Wow. Anyways, so that's probably gonna do it for today. At this point, I'm basically just waiting for Blake to fabricate me an exhaust system, some intercooler piping, and help me with the new fuel setup that I'm gonna do with the lines and everything. Never done that before, so I'm gonna need help there. But this is turning out really cool. Not the end of the video, but the end of the day for me, the end of the night. And we will be back when Blake decides he wants to start working on the charge piping and exhaust. So we'll see you then. Okay guys, before I keep talking, or before I explain myself, I think the last clip that you guys saw, I had just put the engine in, which was, for me, almost 2 weeks ago now. And there's been a lot of things that, well, I wouldn't even say a lot, but there's been some little things here and there that I've been trying to do, and then Blake has helped me with fabbing some stuff. And honestly, I've been forgetting to record shit because I have literally 2 weeks now to get this car running. I haven't even started it yet. Obviously, you guys would know if it was started. I have 2 weeks to get this car running, broken in, tuned, and kinked out. So I'm really stressed out, and forgive me. I apologize. I have not recorded everything that we've been doing. But so basically what we've had done so far is, obviously I put the harness in. I'm trying to remember how, this is a different harness. I was having problems with the last harness. If you guys remember, I would get random misfires if I would like move it over here. So I bought this harness. Hopefully I don't have any issues with this one, but I'm trying to remember how I had it routed. So I did P-clamps here, try to clean it up a little bit, and yeah, trying to figure it out. And then fuel lines are about to go in tomorrow. which I'll probably take some video of that. Troy's helping me with that. These are some stuff. This is some stuff I haven't done myself yet. So this engine is the first engine that I've built entirely by myself. So I'm a little nervous, but I mean, I don't know what to say. What can I say? It's hopefully I have good luck with it, and hopefully we make some good jam, and hopefully we don't have too many issues. But obviously Blake here did this 90 with the vibrant lock clamp, and then we have full 3-inch charge piping on this side now. Before we were 2.5, didn't have this. This is one of my favorite new features. And then yeah, we got the blow off valve and everything on here already. Map is down here, and yeah, so and I also did the purple calipers. This is not red on the calipers, this is red on the brake pads. These are red stuff EBC pads. I think I haven't showed you guys this yet. I don't have a flashlight on me, but so if you guys remember, I was running the SRM brushless pump before, and now I'm gonna be running a dual ratified 450 pump. You guys can see that maybe. A -8 feed and a -6 return. So we have the intake pump in there, and then we have a big system to run it with on a Hobbs switch. I had some issues with the brushless here and there, so just switching to that for that reason. And yeah, so have the intercooler fitted. I got the radiator mounted. I think that's about all we have done so far. Big shout out to Blake for helping me with that. We still got to do a 3.5-inch downpipe and exhaust, but yeah. So a lot of little things that I tried to get done here because I'm running out of time, but I think we can go for the official start after the fuel lines get put in tomorrow, hopefully. So there's little things here and there that still need to get buttoned up, but for the most part, it's looking good. Holy shit, I've been talking for 7 minutes. I should probably just stop talking now. This video is basically just going to be fabrication and fuel line install, and the next one will be first start and hopefully first drive. Look at that. Oh, and it goes up. Oh, how sick, dude. Get a load of that. Yeah. Shout out Troy, man. Stayed here late and helped me. Major help. Yeah, so you guys saw underneath, I showed you guys, routed all the way up to the back and up to the tank. And it is all the way up to the front. We're going to throw some P-clamps here and put that there and get that all routed. Still got to route the boost lines for the N75. And then I extended the wires to the trans, got that done. What else? I mean, I tied everything up there. I got the PCV system hooked up. I still got to get a catch cam, but for now, just to break it in and stuff, we'll be doing it that way. And then, yeah, I don't have a downpipe or an exhaust yet, but I'll probably just throw my 3-inch downpipe on for now that I had from before, just to drive it, to break in the engine. Fingers crossed, we are looking at hopefully going for the first start tomorrow. I know you guys probably are mad because I'm not actually like showing a bunch of action and I'm just talking about it, which, like I said yesterday, forgive me, I apologize, but I'm getting really excited, and it's just been a work in progress, and I also don't want to bore you guys with a bunch of little stuff. So that's probably going to do it for this video. Yeah, on the next video, we will be starting it. So hopefully all goes well once we get to that point. But this has been a work in progress. This is how far we are. Today is February 28th. We have exactly 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 days to get this thing running, driving, and tuned, and on the trailer to Texas. So, wow, I didn't realize we were that close. But, wish us the best of luck. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the series and enjoying that we are bringing this car back finally. It's been a long time coming, a lot of money, a lot of stress, and I'm still stressed out. Praise to the car lords. Hopefully we continue to have good luck, and hopefully everything goes well. But on that note, guys, this is going to be a wrap for this one. I can't wait to get this car back and to go out to Mexico and have some fun. But shout out to everybody. Shout out to Troy and Blake for really helping me with the charge piping and the fuel lines and everything. Yeah, so I'm going to stop talking now because it's the same thing as yesterday. I talked for 8 minutes, and I don't know if you guys want to listen to me talk for 8 minutes, but I just overanalyze everything, and even when I talk, I just feel like I'm missing stuff. But if you guys have any questions, obviously comment below, let me know. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you, and wish me luck. Let's get it.
Wait, hold on.